Meet the Anambra man who is one of the owners of the global biscuit brand. Millions of Nigerians are scattered across the globe and as Nigeria's greatest and biggest export to the world. From the Americas to Europe, from Asia to Australia, there is no continent of the world where you will not find Nigerians striving to eke out a living for themselves. Some of them are in medical and legal professions, while some are breaking new grounds in engineering, technology, and science. There are others who are excelling in business, dominating the economies of countries they seek greener pastures in. One of such Nigerians blazing the trail in their countries of sojourn is Chief Oraeto, who is the chairman CEO of Oraeto Group. The business tycoon has lived in China for over 21 years and has made success out of his business ventures by choosing the long haul of legitimate business over the shortcut of illicit ventures. And it has paid off, making him a well-respected business leader in China with a group of business interests spanning shipping and logistics, manufacturing and trading. In these endeavors, jobs have been created for Nigerians and Chinese alike, with the attendant goodwill for Nigeria, his home country, for now. His Oraeto Group is a parent company of various subsidiaries, churning out various brands that are highly sought after all over Africa and the world. The company has done so well in their various business areas, and it would appear they possess a Midas touch which turns to gold any area they have interest and invest in, from logistics, manufacturing of security doors and furniture, Skino doors brand, etc. Apart from this, the Oraeto Group has, in conjunction with some of their Chinese partners, ventured into biscuit production. The biscuit, Fadela oat milk, has become a sensation in the world with its large chunk of market share. The biscuit has circulated all over Asian market and making waves in the American market, including Europe. Fadela oat milk is a healthy snack suitable for children and adults. It's rich in fiber and come in a pack of 60 pieces. It is one of the healthiest biscuits in the market currently and also suitable for vegetarians. Fadela oat milk biscuit is good for diabetes and for children's healthy growth. It can serve as snacks for school children as well as a welcome gift to friends and relatives. According to Chief Oraeto, government can even choose the biscuit as one of their options for their school feeding program, considering its nutritional value. Speaking to Anambra people, Chief Oraeto confirmed the Oraeto Group has started the construction of one of the biggest biscuit factories in the country, located in Anambra State, which at completion has the capacity to employ more than 1,000 workers. He said, "We are not marketers of the biscuit. We make the biscuit that is well accepted all over the world." Chief Oraeto has done well for proving to the world once again that Nigerians and Igbos are capable of excellence in their endeavors. EEDC, NEPA, take notes. The landlords and tenants of Ugwaba, Obosi was on protest some days ago over the ill treatment of EEDC management towards the people. Over the years, the EEDC have failed in issuing prepaid meters and gave estimated bills without reading the meters. Recently, they cut off lights and demanded for 200 million naira before they could restore the lights. This level of extortion is the height of it, and the people are demanding justice and fairness. And they are appealing to the government to look into this fraud and settle it. And this is not only noticeable in the Obosi area. Almost every part of Anambra is facing the same problem. Nnewi area, they are facing this same problem. Give them prepaid meters, they are ready to pay. Rather than just not looking at the meter, you give them bills.